All right, so I want to talk about why I have decided to transition mostly to P2S machines in my print farm, especially the shed portion of it. And this is not the normal type of thing I would say, but I really like this machine. I'm just kidding, guys. No, this is a great machine. So I have P1P, P1Ss, A1s, A1 minis, Anycubics, LEGUs. I've got a lot of them. I got a H2D. The P2S, there are a lot of pros to this machine. One being the AMS2 Pro. It does have the heating function, and there's quite a bit of aftermarket support already for it, which is kind of shocking. I like this because I can dry my filament if I'm not using the printer. I wish it would work while using the printer. That would be great. I do have some desiccant holders printed for this. I just got to wait for the desiccant to show up so I can swap it in there. LCD screen, 10 out of 10. Great. Works awesome. A little bit louder than I expected them to be, honestly. I was thinking, from the P1S to the P2S, I thought they'd quiet it down a little bit. But honestly, it's not that bad. It's mainly when it's wiping, the wipers on these with the flap are just loud. I mean, they are just loud. Now, as far as the hot end nozzles, I gotta say, I haven't had any issues out of them. I did swap one out just to see how easy it was to swap. And I have to say, these printers are amazing compared to some of the other ones. They really are trying to accommodate everybody. As always, they have a great bed. Good camera system on this one. It's a lot better than the previous ones, which were kind of glitchy to say the least. I don't like how they have the floating rail system. I've talked about this in other videos. So there's no bearing on top of these. So if you ever have any bearing wear down below where the bearings actually go bad, you'll probably see some issues with that. But I'm pretty sure Bambu is going to have parts available for that eventually. I like how, like on this one, it's got some little crumbs. I can just wipe it out. It's not like the LEU or the P1P or the P1S where it's got the lip and it's a pain in the ass and you got to print extra shit. Yeah, I like that. I like the ventilation system. I haven't had any issues with the purging. I mean, so far, so good. This has been a great machine so far. I don't have a ton of hours on them yet, so only time will tell. But so far, I have to give this a 10 out of 10. As always, the A1s are the workhorses, and they are going to continue to be the workhorses until I can completely replace them. But as you know, they're a little expensive, so a little bit at a time here and there. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below.